Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm making a pineapple upside down cake. Let's get started. I have half a cup of butter, unsalted, and half a cup of sugar. Let's combine these. I have 2 eggs and I'm gonna add one at a time. So here we go with the first one. Let's add the other one. Scrape down our bowl. Let's add our vanilla. To my flour, I'm gonna add salt, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Flour is 1.5 cups rather, sorry. Then we're just gonna combine these. Now let's add our dry ingredients. And I'm gonna add a third of a cup of sour cream. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. 1/4 of a cup, and then this should be ready to go in the oven. So in total, it's gonna be a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. That will do it. As usual, I'm gonna finish it by hand. Don't want to whip up too much of the gluten. Here's our bun pan. We are now going to prepare our topping or garnish. I almost ruined my cake. I'm supposed to add 1/4 cup of, 1/4 cup of melted butter. Half a cup of brown sugar. Oh, my cake would have been so ruined. Okay, now I'm gonna add my pineapples. Now let's add our cherries. They are going to be turned the opposite way. The smooth side is going to be turned down now, and later on it's going to be the side that's turned up. Okay. Please drain your pineapples and the cherries so that they are not as, want them to be as dry as possible. Now let's add our batter. Try to spread this evenly in our pan. We are going to bake this until it comes out cleanly in a skewer. I don't want to give a time because everybody's oven is different. I am going to give mine 40 minutes. I'm going to check it. If it needs more time, then I'll allot more time. Our cake is baked and we have to get it out of this pan as quickly as possible. Let's say a prayer. Let's hope it comes out cleanly. The cake is out of the oven and we are going to allow it to cool. As you can see, it came out perfectly. No mishaps like I've had twice before with bun cakes. So the secret to this one is take it out immediately after. Turn it out immediately after it comes out of the oven. That way it doesn't sit in there and the sugar and butter caramelize and it becomes stuck. So that's the key to that. I am gonna let this cool and then we'll come back and cut into it and see what it looks like. Let's cut in our cake. It's now cool. There you have it. This is our pineapple upside down cake. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Bye.